Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're doing a Kuromi, and I'm gonna put a picture of the tattoo. But I literally have her tattooed on me, so we're locked in like that. But if you want this makeup look, then keep on looking. Then keep on watching. So after I prime my eyes, I'm using concealer to bring out the eyeshadow shade. So the first shade I use is a purple. It's like a lighter purple, and I kind of use a darker purple, and then black at the ends. And I think it looks so cute. Like, I feel like Kuromi would wear this because, you know, her theme is like purple and black. I'm doing that eyeliner, and I put white first for a good pop. And I'm doing purple, and I'm going to do some like glitter over it, some purple glitter over it, so it'll be like a purple eyeliner glitter look. Hey, I slayed that eyeliner, but now I'm doing the Kuromi, like her little symbol that she has on top of her head. So after I put on my face part, which is just concealer, I don't use foundation, and I'm putting blush on my face where I usually put it, and I also put a little black down underneath my eyes, just a little bit underneath there. Also for a black eyeliner and then a purple and then like a lighter purple, and then I put powder on it so it can like kind of like set, and I put lip gloss over it. Y'all like the video? I hope y'all did. And if y'all do the same makeup look, then you know, tag me on Instagram, or if you get inspo from me, to tag me on Instagram. And if you want to see or talk to me more, then you can follow me on there too. So if you like this video, like and subscribe and comment down more what you want from me. Peace out.